The Range Rover window I noticed was starting to swell up, so I'm going to take the glass out and I'm going to replace the rubber, and I'm doing it so that the body shop can get to this little bit of corrosion here. It's not much, but it wants taking care of. And as you can see, I just use a very sharp knife. I get a knife under the panel and I bring it down out under the rubber and just cut it all off. And the reason for that is this is a nice laminated heated screen, so we want to keep it, but we want to make it as easy as we can to pop it out without breaking it. It is a bit of an issue. I'm not using soapy water at the moment, but I use my knife with soapy water usually. I forgot to mention, first of all, you take these little filler strips out of the corners. They just pull out all the way around and start cutting. It seems a bit barbaric, but it's cheaper to put the rubber in than a new screen. So let's see if it'll go. I don't know if it's going to come out. I hate doing videos like these because I might make a complete mess of it. Let's see what happens. That rubber was very tight, so I've cut it all the way around from both inside and outside. Now I've got a big space, and I'm using a lot of soapy water at the bottom to try and just move it a little bit so water gets in between the rubber. It is 30 years old and it's never been out, so just let's be careful with it, and remember to take all the little tags off from the heated screen. It is tight as a tiger. Oh. That is tight. Still, what you're supposed to do is sort of put your feet on and kick them out, but you'd never get it out. I'm just going to run around it with a knife. Trying to break that seal. And you've got to be extra careful not to damage the edge of the glass because it can crack going vertically. I hate taking old glass out. You can see where it's sort of bonded on here. Shouldn't cut against yourself, but in this instance we've got no choice. Man, that is tight. Oh, it is heavy. So, I'm going to lay it down on some foam. Always nerve-wracking getting windows out. But you can see why I cut them out. Like I say, you're supposed to sit inside and push them with your feet, but we'd never get it out. Now we can take off the the old rubber, what's left of it, and bin it. So that's just a little tip. We didn't break the glass, it was good. It's not a bonded in one, but I'm certainly not going to put it back in. So just a little tip there. We'll see you later in the next video.